Welcome, guys, to the Good Hybrid Take again. गेस आप लोग गेम तो पहचान ही गए होंगे आज का कि हम कौन सा खेलने वाले हैं, बट फिर भी मैं बता देता हूँ। पहले म्यूज़िक का आनंद ले लेते हैं। अमेजिंग। इस म्यूज़िक का मैं पिछले 10 साल से दीवाना हूँ, चाहे कुछ भी कहो। म्यूज़िक एक नंबर है। तो आज अपना गेम है एसेसिन क्रीड मिराज। तो आज से शुरू करेंगे ये सीरीज़ एसेसिन क्रीड मिराज की, और देखते हैं कि कैसा गेम रहने वाला है। आई थिंक इट इज़ चेकिंग फॉर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अपडेट, तो थोड़ा वेट करते हैं। ओके, क्या म्यूज़िक है यार, मतलब कुछ भी बोलो। न्यू गेम। डिफ़ॉल्ट में खेलते हैं। परफॉर्मेंस डे तो इसमें क्या हो रहा, परमानेंट डे तो जस्ट वन लाइफ। नहीं 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 नहीं, यही रखना है भाई। ओके, तो अपन
You
उस
asked me once about this memory.
मशीन
I
से ही शुरू
lied.
करेंगे,
I
पोर्ट से।
told you it was lost. I worried the wrong lesson would be learned. But this man lived many lives, and he has much to teach us. Of course, when he came to us, he was little more than a common thief, scrambling to survive on the streets of Baghdad, dreaming of a better future. Not just for himself, but for all those he saw suffering on the margins. For while he lived in a golden age, at the heart and the height of the Abbasid Caliphate, scratch its gilded surface and you'd find a rot beneath. The Order of the Ancients fought to rise and spread their cruelty through the land. The Hidden Ones, as we were known then, resisted, striking at our enemy from the shadows, an eternal struggle.
बहुत तारीफ हो गई, किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो ये भी बता दो।
Centuries ago, he was at its heart. Basim ibn Ishaq. He honored the creed. He challenged it. So must we. We have it in all of us to mistake the shadows we walk for the light we serve. The time may come when we will be tested as he was. I fear that time is coming soon.
ओके, तो हम बसीम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। कोई तो फेमस एसेसिन रहा है अपने टाइम का, बगदाद के अंदर। अरेबिक म्यूजिक का भी अपना ही जलवा है भाई, कुछ भी बोलो। It's all in your mind. देखा,
Easy,
सपना
Basim.
देख रहा था।
Breathe.
सांस लो बसीम, सांस लो, नल्ले जैसी हरकतें मत करो।
Was it the Jinni again?
यस, वही था।
And what did our friend want this time?
डराना चाह रहा था बस, नथिंग
To
एल्स।
strip the flesh from my bones? Dine on my innards? Never has much to say, yet it leaves its mark. I can still feel it crawling on my skin.
कभी कभी ऐसे सपने आ जाते हैं जो जागने
Hardly
के बाद
original.
भी फील होते हैं।
You should tell it as much.
Forget the Jinni for the moment. The day is new. There is work to be done. Derwish has left another contract.
Who for? Them again? We would make more money selling water to a camel.
Come, Nihal. Where is your sense of duty?
सही कह रही लड़की।
Duty does not fill our bellies.
No, but it does enrich the soul.
I will be outside.
भाई ऊँटों को पानी पिला के भी पैसे कमा सकते हैं। असैसिनेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है या उन लोगों के लिए काम करने की। द मास्टर थीफ ऑफ अनबार, लीव द हाइड आउट। ओके,
The sun casts a long shadow.
Let us not keep Derwish waiting. I cannot bear another lecture.
These
गुस्सा
contracts.
करता है।
It is quite a few Darwish has pushed your way now.
He knows I will come through.
You have his trust. That much is clear. Do you suppose you have theirs? These shadowy types?
I should hope so by now.
Then they should show it. You take all the risk and they offer little in return.
They are liberators, Nihal, not merchants.
I know the stories. Still, the price of liberty should be enough to feed us.
Location discovered. Okay, so now we have to go. इस वाले असेसिन क्रीड को खेल के काफ़ी टाइम बाद मुझे फील आ रही है अपने असेसिन क्रीड 2 वाली। मुझे पता नहीं आप लोगों में से कितने लोग रिलेट कर पाएंगे। असेसिन क्रीड 2 का जो कंट्रोल थे कुछ इसी टाइप के थे और सबसे अच्छा गेम मुझे आज दिन तक वही लगा। Come on.
About this contract, I do not want you to mistake my words for pestering. I am only looking out for you, Ya Sadiki.
It is no inconvenience to stand up to our oppressors as the Hidden Ones do.
Do you think yourself some hero of tomorrow? The next Gilgamesh?
No. I am
लगता तो
merely the
अपने को
son
ऐसा
of
ही
a
है।
public servant who dedicated his life to the betterment of his people. Only to be slighted and forgotten. But I am honored you think I could reach such heights. I may just aim for them.
That is not at all what I said.
It is
हीरो
what I
बनने की
heard.
कोशिश करेगा ये। बहुत खूबसूरत सिटी बनाई है कुछ भी बना।
Such crowds.
Follow
Something
the
important must be happening.
The
तो
Khalifa has
ऐसा ही
been
रहा है।
summoned to the Winter Palace. It is surely his wealthy retinue that drives this crowd.
वाओ, आपको मैं एक बार पूरा 360 दिखाता हूँ। आप ये खूबसूरती देखिए आप। मिशन बाद में शुरू करते हैं। क्या बात है यार, मतलब पशु पक्षी के उड़ने का जो पूरा फ्लो है, उसके बाद आप नीचे जैसे यहाँ पे देखेंगे कुछ पेटल्स पड़े हुए हैं, वो कैसे उड़ के जा रहे हैं। ये अपने आप में एक अलग ही लेवल है इस गेम का, कुछ भी कहो। और पीछे रेत के कुछ स्ट्रॉम जैसा दिखाई दे रहा है जो रेगिस्तान में चल रहे हैं। गजब यार, माइंड बॉगलिंग जिसको बोल सकते हैं। चलो अब शुरू करते हैं।
Perhaps they're in the mood to offer donations.
Ah, I see your meaning. A little sleight of hand to sharpen our wits.
क्या देख
If
रहा है
this
नल्ले?
contract
क्या
will
देख रहा
not
है?
feed us, the Khilafa might as well. That merchant has left his purse on the table. An easy one to begin with.
Better leave before they notice.
Ready yourself. I will pick them out.
A keen eye and an agile hand. A formidable duo.
There. The boisterous one. He must have something of value.
Pickpocketing. Use the eagle version to find the pouches you can loot for valuable. Okay, तो eagle eye से अपन देख सकते हैं कहाँ पे चोरी करने लायक चीजें हैं. When the proximity, press triangle to pickpocket. Okay, done. It's okay. जैसे मैं eagle eye से दिखाऊं, इसके पास कुछ रहेगा, ये देखो. हाँ. और किसके पास valuable चीजें हैं भाई?
Where are you going now? Sneaky.
Yeah. Sneaky peeky.
And over there, by that stall, she's got
और-
some coin.
चोरी करना सिखा रही है मुझे.
دعوا أعينكم تنالوا من هذه الروعة المنزلة أمامي. سأمنحها لكم بسعر زهيد.
Missed!
Hey, I think not.
Run!
23 عاما من الجودة.
इससे पहले कि इधर जनता लोग आ जाए, पुलिस लोग आ
I
जाए.
would have gone to Derwishes. I pray she is all right. Khilafa guards need little reason to introduce us to their iron bracers.
ओके, ये खड़ा किससे होगा अभी? पर सीटी बजाने से वैसे ऊँट या घोड़ा कुछ आता है, पर अपने पास अभी कुछ है नहीं.
לקח ימנים לצמו את כל הטלאים.
ओके. कूल.
ولذا راح يقرأ من كتاب الشعر هذا الذي استعمل
कहाँ चली गई वो?
Yeah.
It's Basim!
Greetings.
تسرني رؤيتك.
Took you long enough. You know, a bat.
Why. Here is the lazy boy. I've been
Hey.
waiting on you.
चोरी
Someone
करके आ
has
रहा हूँ
to
और
plan
आलस
our
से बोल
meals.
रहा है मुझे.
Hold! Food. I would not flaunt that around the markets. Trust me.
Go to Saida's. She uses lots of butter.
That she does.
You look weary. Are you well?
It is nothing a little adventure will not fix. What do they need?
A shipping ledger at the harbor. It is worth nothing by itself, but the information it contains is valuable to them.
This is child's play. Do they not have anything more difficult? I can do more.
Never mind your ego. The Khalifa's guards are here in number, and you would do well to remember that.
You worry for me more now than when we lived in Baghdad.
My worry is the same. I've only grown too old and too tired to hide it. Bring the ledger back here, and do it swiftly.
We have not talked about my fee.
लेजर लेने के लिए जाना है.
And we won't. Not until the deed is done. You know how they are.
पैसे की
Shokin.
बात नहीं करेगा.
He is just a messenger.
And you are still an errand boy. You can do this one on your own.
I saw them with all the soldiers parading into the Winter Palace.
Did they have swords and spears?
Of course they did. They are soldiers.
पैसा काम होने के बाद मिलेगा अपने को. तो चलते हैं, काम निपटाते हैं.
لن تعجبك نتيجة إزعاجي. أوه، أتظن ذلك؟
अरे
What was
यार,
the final tally of what we received?
16 crates, 1 chest, half a dozen satchels. Only 3 crates remain last time I checked the ledger.
Give their handlers until tomorrow evening. If they don't show by then, we must assume they've forgotten about their wares. Open them up. Keep whatever catches our eyes. Dump the rest. Wait here. Hey!
Okay.
Hey!
If I am seen, I will have to flee. Good thing I can outrun these sagging guards.
Cool. तो दिखना नहीं है अपने को और वहां तक जाना है. ये बड़ा मुश्किल काम है पर कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि अपन नहीं कर सकते. अपन कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. पहले उसको निपटाए क्या बोलते हो? वो ज़्यादा इजी लग रहा है बट चाबी तो उसके पास है, हरामी के पास. लेट मी सी. एक वहां बैठा है नल्ला नीचे और अपने को जाना है सामने की तरफ ही. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं. और यार नीचे बहुत कुछ है. ओके दैट वे. वो सामने रहा वहाँ. वहाँ फेंकूंगा इसको. ले साला, अगली बार मिलने मत आना. वैसे याद रखना इस चीज. अब वहाँ जाना है. मतलब हद है यार, वहीं से तो आया था मैं. ओके, दरवाजा खोल के अंदर जाने का है क्या? ठीक है, डन कर लेगा अपन।
Locked. A minor delay.
बोला था ना की उसके पास है। चाबी वाला किधर है? एक चाबी वाला नल्ला था यहाँ पे। इसको यहाँ नहीं रख सकते। हाँ, ओके, फेयर इनफ। इस नल्ले को तो मैं ऐसे ही टिपका दूंगा। वो चाबी वाला कहाँ गया? सच में मैंने आप लोगों को पहले बताया था एक चाबी वाला था। अभी वो नल्ला दिख नहीं रहा। ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा अपने साथ।
Why do I always get posted here?
इसको अपनी नौकरी की चिंता लग रही है कि मेरे को यहीं क्यों डिपोर्ट करते हैं भाई, हर बार यहीं पोस्टिंग क्यों देते हैं। मतलब ये टेंशन आज की नहीं है, हम आईटी वालों की। आप लोगों को बता दूं, मैं भी आईटी में ही काम करता हूं, तो इसीलिए मुंह से निकल जाता है कि ये आईटी वालों की परेशानी नहीं है। पहले भी चलती थी राजा महाराजाओं के टाइम। इनको बेचारों को कहीं भी पोस्टिंग दे देते हैं। भाई हो रहा है अपने भाई का बोरा। साले रुक जा तू, अभी आ रहा है अपन। अरे क्या कर रहा है? ओके सॉरी गाइस, कॉल आ गया था। ओके आई थिंक देयर शुड बी सम वे। अंदर कहाँ से जाएगा ये? नीचे से ही जाना पड़ेगा। डोंट से दिस। हाँ, लग तो मुझे वैसा ही रहा है कि अभी ये वहीं से जाएगा।
What was that?
आजा, मैं बताता हूँ क्या था ये। नहीं, फोटो नहीं लेना।
Just passing through.
Oh भाई, enemies have stopped searching and you are now anonymous. Okay. वही है ना चाबी वाला। इसको यहाँ नहीं रखूं। क्या बता, मुझे मजा आता है कि मैं इसे ना बाहर फेंकूं। ये टूटेगा क्या इससे? ट्राई करे क्या? अब खुला ना, चला जा। पहले खाना खा लेते हैं, अब इसको बाहर फेंकूंगा मैं। पता नहीं इससे होता कुछ नहीं है, पर मुझे चुन ले, इसको बाहर फेंकूंगा। हाँ, ये भी हरामी है, जाएगा नहीं। ठीक है, यही लटका रहे। खिड़कियां खोल दी है सबके लिए। आइटम बहुत कुछ रखते हैं ये लोग, खाने पीने का। ठीक है, तो अभी अपने को चाबी मिल चुकी है, अपने को जाना है ऊपर। सब औरतें अपना नाम जानती है। पीछे से आवाज सुनी ना, एक लेडी बोल रही थी बहीम। जलवा है भाई का। उतर जा भाई।
There. That may be what I'm looking for. I wonder what secrets this ledger holds. Maybe I can get the old Grouser Derwish to squeeze a hint out of our contact.
क्या बात है, 22 दिरहम। खिड़की तोड़ेंगे फिर। रिटर्न टू ओके। क्या बात है, बकरी। यहीं पे है वो, नीचे। Oh God.
We could use some eyes around the city.
I'll see what I can do.
She looks important. You should haggle for a better fee.
Ah, Basim, what timing? Did you get it?
Without a fuss.
Give it here.
You are one of them.
Assassin की ड्रेस पहनी है इसने.
There. It looks as though it was delivered this morning.
You're certain it is the chest you seek?
I am certain. Pay the boy.
Pay the boy.
You need something stolen? I am your man. Derwish can attest. He has given me all your contracts.
Then you have done your part.
I can do more.
2 of my best men died on this pursuit. I doubt a street thief would fare much better.
Then let me join you. You have 2 openings.
इसको रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस का भी पता है कि 2 ओपनिंग है.
We should take off this thief with that insult.
सड़क छाप चोर है ये.
Thank you, Derwish.
Listen here, Basim. You want to keep working for me? You keep your head down and your mouth shut.
इसकी जल गई. डायरेक्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैसे ले रहा है उससे? नल्ले?
Why must you embarrass yourself like that?
Like what?
Like a beggar. Desperate for them to notice you.
Desperate? Nihal, I am good at what I do. That woman would be lucky to have me.
But she does not want you. You are a street thief with dirty feet. So why bother? Why keep pushing yourself down this path?
Because being a street thief is not the peak of my ambition.
अच्छा ये इसका एम्बिशन नहीं था.
I have more to offer this world than my nimble fingers.
ये चुराने आ
I
रहा है.
just cannot see it yet. Almost, Jasip. What is this?
Aha! This is my latest creation. It helps me fend off angry merchants when they... catch me digging around their wares.
I will consider myself spared. You smell foul. What is that?
We have been fishing at the harbor since morning. Terrible luck, though.
The harbor? Did you happen to see or hear any fuss over a chest?
Ah, yes, a black one. Very beautiful. Some burly guards took it with them to the palace.
Shukran laka ya Jasib.
अब ये जाएगा वो चेस्ट जो भी बॉक्स है उसको लूट के लाएगा ताकि ये रिक्रूटमेंट में ज्वाइन कर सके असैसिन्स की टीम.
What are you doing?
They want that chest.
Yes.
And I am going to get it for them.
वही होगा देखो.
Then they will see.
There is just no getting through to you, is there? Then we will do this together.
Get through तो अपन कर
If you
लेंगे.
get caught at the Winter Palace, they will kill you on sight. We will need a safe way in. And I know where we might scout one.
Okay, तो अब लड़की भी अपने साथ है.
Shall we go scout the Winter Palace now? That is
Ruko,
if you can
ruko,
bear to
ruko.
follow my lead for a change.
चलना अब नल्ली.
You do not have to get involved, Nihal. I know your feelings on this.
It is utterly foolish. But it seems I cannot stop you. So I will come with. And nag you until you decide to abandon the idea of stealing a chest. From the Khalifa's Winter Palace.
When you say it like that, it only excites me further.
Are we going or not?
Lead the way.
This is a mad plan, Basim. Even if you were to succeed and they welcome you into their ranks, what then? Will you forget about us?
Of course not. Nihal, their interests are our interests. You, me, and every other street dweller who has been cast aside. Living off scraps and dirty water. I can be an instrument that sees us out of that life. That sees that Jasip can use his talents to be a real craftsman. That sees that good men are not cast aside as my father was. And no children left wondering what tomorrow will bring.
hear what you are saying, Basim. But you paint a portrait of a world that cannot exist.
That is where we disagree.
कोई पैसे वाला है ही नहीं क्या इधर? किसी के पास बटुआ नहीं है?
There it is, the Winter Palace. Come, this way.
Right behind you.
Here. Let us wait for nightfall.
नाइटफॉल तक वेट करना पड़ेगा ताकि घुस सके. और ये सनसेट और ये रात. ओके, इट्स अ डायरेक्टर कट.
Does where you stand not awaken fond memories?
Not so long ago, we were counting our spoils up here, under the cover of night. Just like this.
The stakes were lower then.
And so too was the prize.
Well, before you claim your prize, you will first have to reach it. As far as I can see, that will take some creativity.
क्या बनाया है?
We could always try the front gate.
You will have to let me know how that goes for you.
Where are you going?
I've had a clever thought. If your mind is absent of one, you should perhaps follow mine.
Wait!
Winter Place. The hidden one needs a chest stolen. Jesse we spotted guards taking it with them. उस बच्चे ने देखा था to the Winter Palace. The content of the chest is still unknown कि उसके अंदर क्या है. But if the caliph is involved, it is certainly worth the risk. मतलब कोई बंदा जो खास है कैलिफ करके वो इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. और ये निहाल को पता है कि how to get inside the place, but there might be other ways to quickly sneak into this heavily guarded place. Look for ways to. Okay. अच्छा, इसे वाले सिंबल से मुझे पता चल जाएगा.
It is dark enough. Come.
ये निहाल है और वो अदर वे जो कहीं पे हो सकता है.
Nihal!
Fastening yourself to my tail, Basim. Very sensible.
I know how you hate to be alone.
Oh, yeah.
I see some guards just that way.
Keep an eye out, will you? Lentils with lime sauce, pomegranates and lemon. Oh, I can taste it now. Shh. I heard something. A low roar.
वो दूसरा बोल रहा है ये मेरा पेट आवाज कर रहा है. क्या गधा आदमी है.
Got that one on the side.
Keep this quiet, but I hear Ibn Muhammad's been speaking to a lot of our men. The peasants too. That type of man gathers followers like life.
What are you playing at? Let us go.
I can't make it to the ceremony, by the way. But I'll come meet you by the Jami al-Mansura.
Okay.
Have you seen the guests?
Such odd costumes.
Keep your mouth shut. You'll only invite trouble.
Why dress that way?
बहुत अंधेरा है यार. Not able to see exactly कि क्या चल रहा है.
Good. This door may lead us inside.
Not without a key, it won't.
Have a look around.
कौन सा है वो? कौन सा गार्ड है जिसके पास की है? वो रहा। चलो ज्यादा दूर नहीं है। That's better. एक नल्ला इधर ही आ रहा है यार। अरे भाई साहब ये बहुत सारे हैं। इनसे नहीं निपट सकते यार एक साथ। गए 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 गए। वो वही है। अरे ये कहाँ जा रहा है नल्ला? अरे यार साला इतनी देर वहां खड़ा था, जैसे ही मैं आया भाग गया।
Shh. It is better this way.
वो नल्ले कहाँ गए? शिट। क्या पानी से खेल रहे हैं दोनों बेवकूफ इधर? ओके ओके ओके, डन, ऑलमोस्ट डन। इनको जाने देना पड़ा, जरा सी सरसराहट और ये वापस रुक जाएंगे।
Any luck finding a key?
Yes.
The Khalifa appears unsettled. An unruly son is not helping matters.
The young man is eager. It's his first time in the palace, is it not? Let him wander, I say. Cater to his needs. This meeting is supposed to be brief after all.
Here they are. Come.
Through there. The Khalifa awaits you.
They have arrived, Mawlay. Out, all of you. I am to meet with them alone.
Father, let me stay.
Take him.
Here, chest.
Looks heavy. We'll never get it out of the palace.
Then I will just have to take what is inside.
Gentlemen, welcome. Everything is in order.
ये कहाँ से जेंटलमैन लग रहे हैं?
I understand this means a great deal to you. Rest assured, it will be well protected here.
We will accept nothing less. We will carry out our work and return to you when we are ready. Be prepared, Khalifa.
Might I see it once? The contents.
इसको भी curiosity है
If we are
जानने
to
की.
guard this with our lives, we should know.
What inside this?
You saw nothing of this. You say nothing. Do you understand?
Yes, of course. Perish the idea.
क्या बोलना है भाई? खोल के देख ले.
Now is our chance.
Someone is coming. This way. Looks quiet. I never thought I'd set foot in here. Just look at these arches. You could chisel off a piece and sell it for a hoard of gold. You didn't happen to bring a pickaxe, did you?
I will keep it in mind for the next time we break into a palace.
यहाँ कोई तो पकड़ लेगा इनको.
All right, Basim. Open, snatch, run.
Basim, hurry. Basim!
Give me that! No! La! Do you have any idea what they will do to me?
Please, I am sorry.
This is your fault!
Stop! Please!
You thieving little rat!
No!
Run!
Nihal, wait! Father! Oh! Get that boy!
Khalifa is dead!
Find that boy! Got you!
In the area!
here and help me!
No one will pass me!
I will cook you!
क्या कर रहा है? चलना।
Enough of your nonsense! What have we done? Do not mind me.
इसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा अभी तक कि इसने क्या किया है। थोड़ी देर छुपे रहते हैं। मामला ठंडा होने तक अंडरग्राउंड रहना इसी को बोलते हैं।
She just... What was she thinking? I need to find her. She would have gone back home.
ओके चलते हैं।
As you were.
ये हाइड आउट है का?
اسطبلات؟ لقد كنت هنا.
आ गए ऑलमोस्ट आ गए। वहाँ पे
ما مشكلته؟ Nihal, are you here? Nihal?
क्या है ये? उस जमाने में इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की डिस्क।
No! Stop this! Please!
इसको फिर से सपना आ रहा है।
Calm. Calm, Basim.
Nihal?
Not quite. Are you well? Good. Because I need you to tell me about this.
I do not know what you mean.
Tell me what happened.
I looted that
Silence
chest.
is not your ally here.
It is not silence. I cannot explain what I saw. That object. It did something to me. I was somewhere else. Cold. And frightened. Before I knew it, the Khalifa had his hands around my neck. It was an accident. I did not mean for... Just wanted to help.
We need to get you out of here. I have a boat at the western docks.
What? No, I cannot leave. I need to find Nihal.
Stop and think, Basim. The Khalifa's guard is searching for his murderer. A young thief of your description. They will not stop until they have found you. And when they do, it will not be a prison they throw you into. It will be a shallow grave. I'm giving you a second chance. Take it.
भागना ही सही रहेगा भाई, निकल ले।
Nihal, Derwish, they are all in danger.
क्या पता निपट गए हों।
The soldiers are hunting all who look like me.
उनको वार्न करना है। तो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। बाय बाय।